Good morning, doctor. We are from group Kuih Lapis. So today, me, Manchun, and Alif, we are going to present our group project. Before we start, let me to introduce our team member. My name is Chai Manchun as a team leader in the project. Second is Carol. Third is Lim Cha. Fourth is Alif Akasha. Fifth is Lilian Hao. And the last person is Tan Ziyi. To begin with, we as a university student always have to manage a lot of things at the same time, such as assignment, group work, club activities, and even our own personal matters. So, if we don't manage our time properly, it's very easy to get stressed, miss deadlines, or even clash with teammates. That's why project management skills are very important, not just for now, but also when we enter the working world later. To help students improve in this area, we decided to organize a talk with title Top 5 Project Management Skills Students Should Learn. We did it online via Webex, and students from different universities joined. We were the speaker, and we shared about 5 important skills, which is time management, teamwork, communication, organization, problem solving. We also give real-life examples, answer questions, and share some practical tips based on our experience. Okay, now let's look at the methodology we use in our project. First, we use something called Work Breakdown Structure, or WBS. The WBS is a visual tool that breaks a project into smaller and manageable parts. It helps project manager organize tasks, define deliverables, and understand the full scope of the project. By displaying work in a hierarchical format, WBS supports effective planning, resource allocation, and project tracking. We also use SWOT analysis, which is a strategic tool used to evaluate an organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It is typically part of a broader of business analysis and helps in gathering and organizing key information. By examining these 4 areas, SWOT analysis support informed decision making and can generate ideas from improving competitiveness, developing new product, or exploring new market. For our tools, we choose Google Docs and Canva. This is because Google Docs and Canva support student projects by enabling collaboration and visual communication. Google Docs aids in real-time editing and planning, while Canva helps create professional presentation and visual. For communication, of course, we use WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a convenient tool for group communication in project management. It enables instant messaging, file sharing, and coordination, making it easy for students to collaborate, share updates, and stay organized remotely. Moreover, we use Webex as an online platform for our talk. Webex is a user-friendly online meeting tool that supports effective teamwork through video calls, screen sharing, and easy scheduling. It enhances communication and collaboration for students working on projects remotely. Lastly is Padlet. Padlet is an interactive online tool that acts like a digital bulletin board, ideal for group brainstorming and project collaboration. It allows users to post and comment on content in real time, encouraging creativity, feedback, and active participation. So during execution, everyone had their own part. Miss Tan Ziyi started the section with a welcoming speech. Miss Lim Cha was in charge of all the technical aspects. Then we had 5 main speakers. The first is Mr. Lilian Hao. He discussed time management, emphasizing the strategic use of time and offering practical techniques such as prioritizing tasks, and minimizing distraction. Ms. Lim Cha-er followed with a presentation on communication, highlighting its role in fostering collaboration and mutual understanding in team through verbal, non-verbal, written, and active listening method. Mr. Chaimanjun then elaborated on teamwork, stressing how collaboration increases productivity, strengthens relationship, and leads to greater success through shared responsibilities. Ms. Carol Neon-Kyler present on problem-solving skill, outlining steps like identifying problem, analyzing causes, and implementing solution with real-life application. Lastly, Mr. Alif delivered a talk on the importance of organization in project management, using a product launch as an example to show how structure and planning leads to successful outcome. Next, for our promotional material, we create a poster for the online talk. This poster includes all the key info such as title, date, time, platform, and the 5 main topics. Closer to the event, we promote it more aggressively to remind people and encourage them to join last minute. This really helped increase our attendance. To manage attendance, we use a Google form for registration. We ask everyone to fill in before the event. Once registered, they will receive the WebEx link and updates. This helps us plan logistics and avoid any confusion on the event day. The PowerPoint slide, which we're using right now, was prepared by our team and the speaker. We designed it to support the presentation and make everything more clear and engaging. After the event, we even allowed participants to request the slide if they wanted to review. WhatsApp was one of our main tools for communication. We use it to share updates with our team and also the participants. Since most students already use WhatsApp, it was the easiest way to send reminders, updates, and even build some engagement. This made the whole communication process faster and more effective. And for hosting the event, we used WebEx. Before the event, we prepared the joining link and share it on the poster and through WhatsApp and social media. Thanks to proper pre-planning, there were minimal technical issues. Everyone managed to join smoothly and enjoy the section.
Okay, now for feedback analysis and key highlights. For event rating summary, it is overall a positive reception, with most rating at 5 out of 5 and only a handful with 4 out of 5. And for what participants enjoyed most is practical management topics like time management, teamwork, energetic and engaging presenters, interactive Q&A session, and topic day-to-day life relevance. And for areas for growth and key learnings, areas to improve is more audience interaction, refined presentation material design, adjusted session pacing. For recommendation, explore physical or blended formats, include practical exercises alongside theory, ensure structured, clear session flow. For reflection and key takeaways, positive reception confirms session value, feedback highlights specific area to refine, reinforce importance of continuous feedback-driven improvement. Next is overview of decision making. Before the online talk event took place, we had to make several key decisions. These were influenced by our intended audience, university students, our own team capacity, and the broader objectives of promoting practical knowledge. We'll now explore how we selected the topic, structured our project, dealt with challenges, and maintain a strong team approach throughout. For topic selection, our chosen topic was top 5 project management skill every student should learn because it directly applies to the daily life of students. Even though project management sounds like corporate term, students constantly manage group projects, assignments, and events. We focus on 5 core skills: time management, communication, teamwork, problem solving, and organization skills that are both academic and practical. The topic also supports the 21st century learning goals, especially in terms of soft skill and self-leadership. Next, project plan and structure. To manage the event like real-world project, we use work breakdown structure or WBS. Each team member has a defined role: project leadership, content developer, marketing and promotion lead, technical manager, host, feedback officer. This ensure no task overlap and promoted accountability. Our 3-week timeline was also clearly structured. Week 1, content creation and planning. Week 2, marketing and tech setup. Week 3, rehearsal and fine-tuning. We also use tools like Google Docs and Meet for collaboration, and Canva and Google Form for our promotion and feedback gathering. Okay, for anticipated challenges and proposed solutions. From the start, we anticipated several challenges. First, we were worried about unequal work distribution. This was solved using the WBS. Second, technical issues like poor internet or audio problems. So we scheduled technical rehearsals and arranged backup devices and networks. Next, audience turnout was a concern. So we promoted throughout various channels like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, and others. Lastly, with academic responsibilities, we could have struggled to meet deadlines. To fix this, we set early internal deadlines to give ourselves a time buffer. Okay, for problem solving and team approach, our team's approach was both collaborative and proactive. We met regularly to check on progress and discuss any issues. Everyone was flexible. If one person had exam or personal matters, others stepped in to help. We made decisions transparently with everyone's input valued. We even used data from previous events to decide the best time and platform for our session. This open and adaptable teamwork really helped us solve problems efficiently and maintain good energy throughout the project. To conclude our presentation, I'd like to reflect briefly on what we've achieved throughout this project. This seminar was more than just an academic exercise. It was a practical opportunity to develop and share essential project management soft skills that are often overlooked in traditional university curricula. Skills like time management, communication, teamwork, problem solving, and organization are critical, not only for academic success, but also for our future careers. The feedback we received was very positive. Most attendees rated the session 4 or 5 out of 5. They appreciate the relevance, clarity, and interactivity of the session. However, there was also valuable suggestion for improvement, such as making the session more dynamic, adjusting the pacing, and refining our presentation delivery. From this experience, we learned that collaboration, decision-making, and flexibility are essential in making any project a success. Most importantly, it reaffirmed the importance of integrating soft skill development into academic life. We strongly recommend exploring blended or physical format in the future to enhance participation and impact. That's all. Thank you.